How would you like your hair done by me for free? Well, let me rephrase that, okay? So this is very exciting, and I'm always looking to expand my content and bring value to you all, which I've been doing 5 days a week for years now here on YouTube. And I have done numerous live streams offering free hair consultations with viewers from all over the world, and it's been amazing. So I'm bringing a new level of content, which I'm really excited about, and this may potentially be what I'm doing moving forward for the most part. I'll still be sprinkling in my haircut videos and things like that, but I would like to do free hair consultations with you, the viewers, on my YouTube channel as a video. So one person per video, AKA, say tomorrow's video will be a hair consultation with someone who I have no idea who they are, but they either have problems with their hair, questions about their hair, and obviously, there's a few things. So one, if you are interested in doing this, in being in one of my YouTube videos, okay, and being seen by thousands and thousands of people to talk about your hair, there's a few different areas and criteria you must meet. One, obviously, have permission and be able to do it, right? If you're like 6 or 7 years old, it may be kind of tough. You need to be of age and have your parents' consent. That's the first thing. Second thing is obviously have hair that is worth talking about. Like whether you've got a botched up haircut that looks absolutely awful, you've got the most amazing hair like I've ever seen. You've got super thick hair. You've got that wow factor that, oh my gosh, I want that kind of hair. And you need some hair tips. Your hair is always falling flat in your face. Whatever it is, hair consultation, hair advice. That's what I want to make this content. So think about what would make interesting content and videos for my YouTube channel. So the next thing is have a good presentation. I want you to be well-spoken, be able to speak and understand English. I want you to be able to be presentable and look good and sound good on camera, all right? This isn't just I'm picking any random person. Like I'm gonna be featuring you on my channel, which can be seen by thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of people, who knows? So presentation of how you present yourself and look is definitely something that's important. Next thing is having a good connection. So this does not mean sitting inside like some random Dunkin' Donuts with a cell phone in the bathroom. Like, have it well lit, have good audio, have good video. This is something that I really would love for you to be prepared for. Have a good Wi-Fi connection. I don't want you to be like in the middle of the street somewhere where there's like traffic everywhere. So think of the high value production that I'm bringing to the table by using camera gear, tens of thousands of dollars worth of camera gear. I would love the same for you. Good Wi-Fi connection, good audio. I can see you clearly, you can see me, and that's the next thing. All right, and lastly, how do you go about doing this? Well, I communicate with a lot of people through Instagram, and Instagram is probably the best way to reach out to me. So if you follow me and you have to be following me on Instagram, which is at TheSalonGuy, right? TheSalonGuy is my handle on Instagram. Send me a DM, okay? And this is gonna just prove to me that you've watched this video and that you're very interested and you wanna be on my channel, you need hair help and that stuff. So follow me at TheSalonGuy, send me a DM, and that's how we can start the conversation. I'll be able to look at your hair, we can send some, a couple of messages back and forth, we can confirm it, and then we'll set up a filming time. So I'm Eastern time here in the United States. It doesn't matter what country you're from, the key is that I'm usually available around, between 10 a.m. and like 1 p.m. Eastern time. For the most part, it just depends, or it could be random, but we have to set up a time frame to schedule this. Again, this is nothing, this is me bringing a lot of value to you, the viewer, as well, and giving away just hair advice to people, but it's more one-on-one through not Zoom, but like a platform where we can see both each other on camera. I can record it and then upload to YouTube. So it's a process. If you're interested, follow me on Instagram and send me a DM on Instagram, and that's how we get the ball rolling. I would love to just create dozens and dozens of videos and just keep this going and offering hair consultations and just talking about your hair, and hopefully you're interested in this too. So thank you. I hope a lot of you will participate. I look forward to doing this, and I'm excited. So thanks for watching. DM me on Instagram at TheSalonGuy, and I'll see you soon.